Are you concerned about your sleeping posture or position? Keep watching to find out the best posture to sleep in and the common mistakes people make. Firstly, we're going to talk about why sleeping position matters. Sleep is where your body is resting and repairing, and we really want to try and facilitate this. We want to encourage that rest and repair. Good sleeping posture leads to better sleep quality. Better sleep quality is good for your mental and physical health, your memory, your learning ability, attention, and energy. Ongoing sleep deficiency is linked to an increased risk of heart disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke. And we really want to be considering our sleep position if you're waking up with low back or neck pain. Our take-home message for sleeping posture is we want to try and achieve a neutral spine. And what this means is we want to try and preserve these natural curves of the spine. So if you're throwing your leg over really rotated in your sleep, you're really adding a big rotation in through that spine. And if you're using the wrong type of pillow, you can really jam the head up into its wrong position. And we want to just try and maintain nice level spine throughout the whole body. The best position to sleep in is on your back. We want to try and aim for a slim pillow so your head isn't getting jammed forward. And to help the low back, to sort of reduce the stress on the low back, we're going to put a pillow underneath our knees. And this is going to keep that nice natural lumbar curve. And again, that neutral cervical curve as well. I know not everybody is comfortable in that back sleeping position, and side sleeping is fine if it's done correctly. It is really easy though to get side sleeping wrong. I think people are often really tempted to throw their leg over in this side sleeping position. That adds a whole lot of rotation in through the back, and you almost end up in that front sleeping position, which is really bad for your neck as well. So in that side sleeping position, you may want to trial placing a rolled towel or a pillow between the knees, just to try and keep you from throwing that leg over. And again, making sure your pillow height is correct so you're not jamming that neck into an uncomfortable position. And then we're maintaining those neutral curves all the way along level with the bed. So this is our natural side-lying sleeping posture. I think another mistake that people make is they hike their knees right up in that fetal position, and that's really bad because it's reducing that lumbar curve that we were talking about. So yeah, we're also aiming with the towel, the pillow between the knees to try and elongate the spine. Just to summarize, this is a quick list of common mistakes people make and the things you want to avoid. You want to avoid front sleeping at all costs. It adds a really extreme range of motion in through the neck, and it adds rotation in through that low back and that mid back. You want to avoid using a soft pillow. It just doesn't have enough structure to support your neck. And you want to avoid using multiple pillows because it's really overstacking through the neck there, whether you're on the side or on the back. And you want to avoid using a super soft mattress because you're losing those natural curves again. All right, that was some quick tips about sleeping posture. I hope that helped, guys, and we'll see you soon.